To set a stop loss on an investment platform, start by logging into your account and navigating to the specific stock you want to set the stop loss for, either by searching for it or finding it in your portfolio. Tap on the stock to view its details. Then select the trade or order option. In the order entry screen, you will see various order types. Simply select the stop order or stop limit order option. A stop order will become a market order when the specified stock price is reached, while a stop limit order will only be executed at a limit price or better. Enter the stock price at which you want the order to trigger and sell the stock, which should be below the current market price. If you are setting a stop limit order, you will also need to specify a limit price. Double-check the details of your order, including the stock price and order type, before confirming it. Once confirmed, you can monitor the status of your order in the portfolio or order section, where you can also track its progress and make any necessary adjustments.